element number 4.05, video number 5 for the element number 4th. Advantages and disadvantages of the checklist. We use for the HSE inspection HSE checklist. So what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of using checklists for HSE inspections? So today we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of HSE checklist. Advantages of checklist: structured and systematic approach. Checklists provide structure and systematic approach for the HSE inspections, ensure all important areas are covered in inspection or audits, prevent missing critical safety element by providing a step-by-step guide. It provides step-by-step guidance, consistency, promote uniform inspections across different departments, sites or inspectors. Second, make it easier to compare results over time or between teams. Time efficiency. Save time by guide inspectors on what to check without need to recall every detail. Simplifies documentation and reporting. Improve compliance. Helps ensure compliance with regulatory company and ISO or ILO standards. If we have some conformance or compliance standards, acts as evidence that inspection and monitoring are being carried out. So for the audit, it also is providing us the objective evidence. Facilitates training and awareness. Useful for new employees or supervisors to understand inspection requirements. Serve as an educational tools to reinforce HSE standards, support continual improvement. Data from completed checklists can identify recurring problems or trends, help set priorities for corrective and preventive actions, enhance communication, provides a clear documented method for reporting issues and follow-up actions, improve communication between management, supervisors and workers. Now the disadvantages: can encourage a tick box mentality. User may focus on completing the form rather than genuinely assessing hazard. May lead to superficial inspection if not used thoughtfully. Limited flexibility. Predefined question may not cover all specific risks or unusual conditions. Difficult to adapt quickly to changing site situation. Over-reliance. Some inspectors may depend solely on the checklist and ignore observation outside its scope. So because what is written, they are going only for this to tick. So they are not checking other things are in the workplace. Critical hazards might be missed if not listed. Require regular updating. Must be reviewed and revised regularly to stay relevant to current laws, process and risk. Outdated checklists can create a false sense of security. Quality depends on the user. Effectiveness relies on the competence and attitude of person using it. Poorly trained inspector might misuse or misinterpret checklist items. Paperwork burden. If over-detailed, it can become time-consuming and reduce field presence. Digital version may require IT resources or training. Now, summary: efficiency, advantages and disadvantages. Save time, simplifies inspections. Now, disadvantage can be overused or a routine formality. Coverage, ensure all items checked. May miss unique site-specific hazards. Then compliance, help meet legal and ISO requirements. Means standards, conformance and compliance. Need frequent update to stay valid. It needs frequent updates. User factor easy for training and consistency. And then disadvantage depends on inspector skills and mindset. If the inspector are hardworking and they are skillful expert, then it's okay. But if they are not, they will not just only go for each and every activity in the organization. The unsafe X and unsafe condition, particularly the unsafe condition, the unsafe X are not covered there in the inspection, but unsafe condition will be checked there. But unsafe X particularly are not noted in the checklist. So these are the shortcomings or the disadvantages of the checklist. It has advantages also disadvantages. So it depends on the inspector who are using this, their competency and their hard working also. If you have any question regarding the video, please give in your comments and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much.